Want to show off your music taste on Tinder? Here's how to add music to your profile. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on edit icon located near your profile picture. Scroll down until you see My Anthem section. Now tap on Choose an Anthem. A list of music will be shown to you, or you can search for any song you want to add. Once you find the song you want to add, tap on it and it will be added automatically to your profile. And that's it. Your Tinder profile is now music powered. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.